Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Landmaster electric side-by-side and you're wondering how to operate it. I'm just going to go through kind of the basics of how you operate it on the control panel, what we have here. So first of all, over here, it's charging right now. We have the battery. This shows the battery life. It's blinking through here because it's actually charging. And what you'll do is you'll press and hold this button to disengage and to engage the battery. So once you do that, we can actually wrap around to here, and this is the key. You can turn it on and off, and you'll see when you turn the key on, once you get a steady voltage here, that means it's ready to be used. And then it's pretty simple here. What we've got here, we've got this little toggle for neutral, reverse, and forward. We can go for max range, or if we want to go fast, we can go up to max speed, so it'll go faster and be more powerful, but the battery won't last as long. If you've got a four-wheel drive version, we can toggle between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. One of the cool things on here is that this has a manual fan, which you might say is annoying because then you have to turn it on. But basically, this cools the electric motor. So if you're using it a lot, if you're doing heavy use and stuff like that, going up hills, we're using it all day, if it's hot outside, you're going to want to turn the fan on. But the benefit is that if you wanted to operate quietly, you can manually turn the fan off in whatever situation you're in. So it'll operate more quietly when the fan's off, obviously. And then if your side by side has a dump bed, you can operate it using this toggle here.